This video is sponsored by unolist.com.
Alright, today we're going to show you guys how to replace a windshield wiper. Look at this one. This one is, this rubber is just coming off, not working right anymore. So I bought a replacement for it, and we're going to show you how to replace it. So here's the replacement one that we'll be using. I have a similar one on the other side, so I just got the same brand. We're going to be putting that in. Okay. All right. All right. On most of these windshield wipers, you got this lever here. I don't know if you can see it. It's a plastic lever, like right here. So if you just press that and then push it downwards. So I'm pressing that lever and pushing it downwards, and it just comes off. Okay, the new one, all you got to do is align it correctly, and you see this here? You got to go over that. This U shape has to go over this. Okay, it's going to lock onto that. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, it's in, and we're just gonna lock it in place. Okay, it's in. Thank you for watching.